When Allah created all of creation, He wrote in His book and placed it above His throne, "Verily, my mercy overcomes my anger." Before the first soul took its breath, His mercy already surrounded it. Before any mistake, before any slip, mercy was written for you. Yet Allah's anger exists, not out of cruelty, but as a sign of justice. Every day in Surah al-Fatiha, we ask to be guided along the right path, the path of those you have blessed, not of those who earned your anger, nor of those who went astray. Who earns His anger? Those who recognize the truth but let pride keep them from it. They feel the words, know what's right, yet choose desire over submission. That's not ignorance, it's arrogance. Arrogance destroyed even the most devoted Iblis. Spoke to him, yet thought himself superior. Every act of pride echoes that mistake, and every act of humility draws us closer to Allah's infinite mercy. There is also a quieter arrogance when the heart stops reaching out to Allah. When we think, "I can handle this on my own." Pride shuts the door, while turning to Allah opens it. Mercy is vast, more powerful than anger. Anger only rises when hearts refuse to bow. Keep turning, keep asking, keep humbling yourself before your Lord. Silence is not reverence, it's distance. Ya Allah, guide our hearts, keep us close to your mercy, and protect us from pride. Make us among those you have blessed, not those who earned your anger, nor of those who went astray. And with full hearts, let's say, Ameen.